In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. So first things first, head over to the gear icon, then choose the settings. Now once we're on the settings, go ahead and go to the privacy section. Now in this section, make sure this one is toggled off, then go to parental controls, then set all ages, click on that, and here we must provide the pin that will be gonna send to your email address. So we must type in the pin here, the 4-digit pin, and also confirm it here. Then click on add. Then here we must provide the password. Now once you provide your password, click on verify. Now it's been successfully made, so click on OK. Then this one, we have to enter the pin and then toggle this off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.